Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your errors in Windows 11 updates into your Windows 11. So what you need to do is just simply come over into your search option and going to go for services. After going for services, you just need to scroll down a little bit and here you will find Windows Update. You can see. So if you click on that, then you'll get an option called Properties. Click on that and then you'll get an option called Starter Type. So if you can see, it's set it in manual. So you just need to select it automatic, click Apply and click OK. I hope your problem will be solved. If it's not yet, then just come over into your search option, going to search for CMD and click on the right mouse button, and then here you will get option called Learn as Administrator. So if you click on that, click yes for the permission. And now what you're going to do, you're going to copy this command prompt from the video description and going to paste it over here like this. Then click enter. There will be an image version will be scanned out, so it will take some of minutes. After now it's running scanning, so it will take some of minutes to complete. And after the operation completed successfully, you just need to type sfc /scan now, and it will also take a lot of time. So you just need to give patience. After completing the verification, you just simply do this, come over to start icon and now restart your device and your problem will be solved. So this is how you can fix the errors in Windows 11 updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.